In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Modify Figma Plugin. We'll start by installing the plugin from the Figma community. Open Figma, then in the top menu choose Plugins and select Browse Plugins in Community. In the search bar, type Modify. When you see the plugin named Modify, click Install. After that, it's available inside any of your files, so you can use it whenever you need quick, consistent edits. Next, let's run it. In your design file, select the elements you want to work with on the canvas. Then right-click, go to Plugins, and choose Modify. The plugin panel will open, giving you a clear set of controls while keeping your selection in view. Before you make any edits, confirm you've selected exactly what you want to change. Modify only works on selected items. Use Shift-click to select multiple layers, or select an entire frame or group if you want the changes to apply to everything inside. Taking a moment to refine your selection prevents accidental updates and helps you apply changes with confidence. Inside the plugin, choose what to modify. Start with text for quick content and naming updates. You can change text content across multiple layers at once, add a prefix or suffix to keep labels consistent, and even rename layers automatically to keep your layer list organized. This is especially useful for standardizing buttons, headings, or repeated components across a page. If some items don't update, double check that their text layers, non-text items are skipped. For size, you can set a specific width and height or scale elements to resize proportionally. This is great for unifying card sizes, images, or controls so they align neatly across breakpoints. If you want everything inside a container to scale together, select the frame or group before applying your size change. Under Style, you'll find visual adjustments. Change opacity to emphasize or de-emphasize elements, tweak corner radius to sharpen or soften shapes, and depending on your plugin version, modify fills to standardize colors across your selection. These settings help you bring a scattered design into a consistent visual system in just a few clicks. Layout options help you tidy structure. Add spacing to create uniform gaps between elements.